ahead and get your journal out and then flip to your research page. I'll give you some time to go ahead and do this. Make sure you have a pencil as well. I have a marker so you can see it, my writing. Alright, if you need more time, just pause the video. But we're finally getting to the end of our research project. So it is now time for us to work on facts. We've done appearance, diet, habitat, family, and now it's time for facts. So let's go ahead and flip to page 6. Alright, page 6. Alright. Facts. Give you some time to go ahead and copy this down. Alright, if you need more time, just pause the video. Alright, so today's book had a whole bunch of different facts about elephants. A lot of that stuff I didn't know, so those are really interesting things that I learned from today's book. Now, you were supposed to, if you're at school, talk with a partner about something you learned from today's story. If you're at home, you were supposed to talk with a family member, stuffed animal, or sibling about something you learned from today's story. And so what I'm about to write is facts that I thought were very interesting. But if you thought there was something else that was really interesting and you want to write it down, then you can do that on this page, okay? So I'm going to write what I thought was really interesting. You can copy mine if you'd like, but if you're thinking, hey, I really like something else that I heard earlier from today's story or a story from earlier this week, then write that. But you are more than welcome to copy what I have. These are something I thought was really interesting. So elephants are the biggest animal that live on land. I think that's a really cool fact. So I'm going to go ahead and write that. Elephants are the biggest animals that live on land. Okay, so I'll give you some time to write that if you'd like. All right, if you need more time for that sentence, pause the video, but I'm going to write one more fact, okay? So period. Since I have a period here, my next word is going to start with a capital letter because it's going to be the beginning of a new sentence. Elephants use their trunks to breathe while underwater. I'll give you some time to go ahead and copy that. So elephants are the biggest animals that live on land, period. Elephants use their trunks to breathe while underwater, period. Remember, you are allowed to write a different fact that you thought was interesting on this page. If you'd like, you can just copy mine. All right, if you need more time, you might just need to pause the video. But if you are done, then go ahead and draw a picture of an elephant. And on the next slide, I'm going to tell you how you can, or give you a little reminder on presenting your project.